How to generate image using Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. Basically, this is the place where you can find different tools in order to create a video or an image. Now, here on the top, you can see this generate button. Simply tap on generate. So this will lead you to a different page. So basically this is the place where you can enter the prompt and it will start creating an image. Here on the box, simply tap on prompt and here paste the prompt that you like. So here I'm entering one. After you do this, simply hit on this magic button. Now tap on OK. So it will take some time. Now according to the prompt, the image will be generated. You can easily save and later use this image in any place. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you